say that it all started when I was a kid. I loved comic books and superheroes. And if you look at these superheroes, one thing that they all have in common is that they all do amazing things with their body. My name is Christopher Hernandez. I'm a professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering and biomedical engineering, and I study how physical forces cause osteoporosis and osteoarthritis.
I would describe orthopedic research as research that encompasses studying bones, and bones help us perform everyday activities.
Orthopedic research is the study of how diseases that affects bones and joints and muscle function and how to treat them.
As a biomedical engineer, you're a scientist that study this complex relationship between bones and muscles and joints. Being able to utilize concepts from engineering and combine them with biology.
For me, I think that bone is what is holding us up. Without bone, we would just be a blob, unable to move.
Let's talk about the 4 most common diseases in America. 3 of those 4 are orthopedic diseases: arthritis, osteoporosis, and low back pain.
For a while, I actually thought I wanted to be a chiropractor. But then I realized I wanted to get to a bigger scale.
I'm reading for the entire day. The scientific problem is kind of like a puzzle, and each article is like a piece. And so just finding out how these pieces fit together.
An entire racehorse can be taken down by these 2 bones, the size of like my thumb. These 2 tiny little bones are required for the animal to be able to move. Orthopedics really is the study of physics inside the human body.
We found out that bacteria in your gut can influence the bone properties.
10 years ago, I would have never thought that the bacteria in your gut can have any impact on your bones and joints, which are so far away. It's only been the past few years that we've started to even look at a connection between these bacteria and your bones.
There's some people in the field, they're called tissue engineers, and they're coming up with new biological ways to fix, say, a knee replacement. So right now we use metals and plastic. Potentially one day we won't have to worry about arthritis. If you start getting arthritis, there'll be some kind of replacement, and the replacement will be you. It'll look just like you.
One day I will be old, and it will be nice to know that I'll be able to have a nice, fast healing process.
Your bones and joints are involved in almost everything you do. And so right there, just studying this field, you're studying everyone.
Bones are really cool. They are a really cool system. So right now what I'm doing is fascinating.